Hey there, listen up. Did you have any clue that you can rake in a sweet $40 to $120 an hour just by playing with words? Copywriting is where the real money's at. It's all about transforming words into emotions and those emotions into action. But hold up, I can sense your curiosity kicking in. What on earth does copywriting mean? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into this captivating topic. By the end of this mind-blowing video, you'll have a crystal clear image of copywriting and how it can fill your pockets with wads of cash. So, let's start with the basics. Copywriting is the art and science of crafting words that can work their magic on people's minds. It's about using the power of the written word to persuade, to move, and to inspire action. Whether it's getting someone to click a tantalizing link, surrender their precious email address, or even enticing them to splurge on a purchase, it's all part of the captivating world of copywriting. In a nutshell, every time you embark on the journey of carefully selecting and arranging the perfect words to make your reader take a specific action, you're indulging in the exhilarating art of copywriting. It's a wild ride, but trust me, it's worth every penny. So, what exactly does a copywriter do? Well, let me tell you, being a copywriter is like being a linguistic maestro with a dash of marketing wizardry, crafting compelling copy that works its magic both online and offline. They're the wordsmiths who have the power to educate, inspire, and guide their audience towards that oh-so-desired action. But hold on, there's more to this gig than just writing. A copywriter is a multi-talented virtuoso who wears many hats. They dive deep into research, fine-tune their edits, raw content marketing, and sprinkle some proofreading magic. They're like professional interviewers, project jugglers, and image hunters extraordinaire. Oh, and did I mention they also mastermind marketing and email campaigns? Talk about a dynamic skill set. Now, if you're a marketing copywriter, buckle up because your repertoire expands even further. Not only will you be crafting captivating content, but you'll also dabble in the art of SEO planning and dance your way through social media management. It's like being the conductor of an entire symphony of marketing strategies. So, when we distill the essence of what a copywriter does, it's all about the captivating research and the art of persuasion. They create content that grabs readers by the collar, sweeps them off their feet, and convinces them to take that all-important action. And let me tell you, when you wield words like a master copywriter, success and the sweet sound of money won't be far behind. So, what copywriting services pay the most and what services pay the least? Not all copywriting services are cut from the same cloth. Nope, they definitely don't pay in equal measures. So, if you're eyeing that sweet cash flow with copywriting, it's wise to set your sights on the copywriting realms that rake in the big bucks. In my neck of the woods, there are two lucrative arenas of copywriting that will have your pockets jingling. Number 1. Sales letters. These babies are like magic spells that make wallets open and cash flow. They're the golden goose of copywriting services. Number 2. Email campaigns. By tapping into the power of persuasion through the inbox and crafting compelling email campaigns for small businesses, you can send your bank account skyrocketing. If you want to make that paper, these are the power plays you should focus on. Sure, you can offer other services like crafting web content, blog posts, video scripts, brochures, and whatnot. But hey, they won't deliver the same revenue punch for your clients. So, don't expect to charge top dollar for those. But if you're craving a fast lane to a monthly income of $10,000, channel your energy into the art of sales letters and email campaigns. That's where the real money's at. Before I continue, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss a beat when it comes to the latest copywriting tips and trends. Now, back to the video. How much should you charge for your services? Let's break it down. If you want to make a sweet $10,000 per month, that means $2,500 every week. And if you work your copywriting magic 5 days a week, that's a juicy $500 per day, or a still impressive $357 if you're a weekend warrior. Hold up, let's be real here. Are you really gonna grind away for a full 8 hours each day? Nah, I didn't think so. Don't fool yourself, we both know the truth. In fact, studies reveal that the average Joe only puts in a measly 1 to 2 hours of actual work daily. So, let's set our sights on a more reasonable goal. 5 hours of focused hustle. Now, depending on your daily work hours, we're looking at a range between $63 and $100 per hour to hit those income goals. But trust me, from my own kick-ass experience, aiming for a minimum of $100 per hour is where the real magic happens. A higher hourly rate, one that you proudly defend, sends a clear message to clients. It screams, I'm a badass professional who knows the immense value I bring to the table. They might grumble a bit about the price, but deep down, they'll respect the hell out of you for sticking to your guns. Oh, and here's a pro tip. You don't always have to charge by the hour. You can set flat fees per page or per project too. The key is to ensure that your time translates to a minimum of $100 per hour. Before we wrap things up, let me share with you the ultimate guide to scoring your first copywriting clients and kickstarting your money-making journey. In the grand realm of client hunting, you have two mighty weapons in your arsenal: outbound and inbound marketing. Let's start with the thrilling world of outbound marketing, where you take charge and reach out to your dream clients. It's the fast and furious approach that gives you the power to put yourself out there and say, hey, I'm here and I'm damn good at what I do. It's the bold and beautiful way to land your first clients. Knock on their virtual doors, slide into their inboxes, or give them a shout out on social media. The key is to be proactive, assertive, and let your sparkling personality shine through. On the other hand, inbound marketing is where you become a beacon of brilliance, drawing clients to you like moths to a flame. With the wonders of the web at your fingertips, you have the power to create pathways that lead potential clients straight to your doorstep. Your mission is to ensure they find you wherever they may wander. Think of yourself as a secret agent, leaving breadcrumbs of brilliance across the digital landscape. Sprinkle your magic on Google, Twitter, Facebook groups, Google, job sites, and freelance marketplaces like Upwork. Let your online presence dazzle and inspire, so when those copywriting crazed clients go hunting, they stumble upon your captivating trail. Now that you have a pretty good idea on how to become a copywriter, let me ease your mind by mentioning that this is actually one of the top best jobs that offer the flexibility and income necessary for a digital nomad. Now, if you're currently embarking on the freelance copywriting journey, I know you must be facing a few hurdles along the way. Don't fret. Drop a comment and spill the beans about your challenges. Who knows? Yours truly might just have the perfect trick up his sleeve to lend you a helping hand.